It all starts with a message from my friend, Omali. She wanted to do XC race in Whistler. I have a big day today.
What you gonna do?
Bike race. Dirty 30.
It's definitely gonna be dirty.
Yes.
It was raining a lot last night, and I was just thinking, oh, Yuka, you're gonna be so dirty.
Good morning! Here she is! She is Omali. How are you feeling? Are you excited? Are you stoked?
Yeah, that's the question. Right?
Exactly, yes. She's racing a lot this year because she has nothing else to do. I guess, so do I. So today's race is organized by Walker, Whitler Off-Road Cycling Association. There are two options. One is thriller course, 30 kilometers, 1800 of elevations. And the other is chiller course, 18 kilometers and 850 meters of elevations.
Things for today. Thank you for coming out to the Worka Dirty 30 ride. Everybody is going to get dirty, it looks like.
Hi, checking, Abe, ABE.
That's food and beer ticket for later.
Oh, thanks. So is it like we can decide later if we want to go farther or
Yeah,
shorter?
basically when you get to the...
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
You can choose at the point.
That point. Okay.
Oh, it's starting now.
And I want to start my watch too.
Oh, okay, sure. Everyone's gone now. We're gonna.
That's alright. Yeah. Better start last and finish last, right?
Oh, now it's raining.
Guys, get going.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Thanks. Our race has begun. Oh, here they are. Ooh. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Is there a traffic jam here?
It's like a old school
Yeah.
Thursday, really.
Oh. XC race is different from what I did on Kamloops, which was enduro race. This is a big traffic jam. Enduro race, they check time only on stages, but XC race, there is only one stage. Entire course, you have to keep pedaling. In the queue? Yes, we are still racing even though we are in the queue. The trails on the race is pretty classic Whistler mountain bike trails, which means they have a lot of roots, rocks, and woodworks. Especially when it's wet, it's very, very slippery. Oh yeah! Oh! You okay? XC race is considered to be an easier race. That's because XC race is mixed of double track and single track. From here, we are going up the single track for about 10 kilometers. Well, you know, going up the single black trail is not easy, especially in Whistler. Ooh, look at this long skinny. It looks so slippery. Downhill. Ah, nice bridge. And uphill. Nice. Okay, there was a fork. Right is swell, and left is jitter. I don't know why, but I took right. Stupid me. I'm already regret. First battery change. Okay, first battery change is done. I believe nobody make this one.
You need a hand there?
No, should be okay. Thank you. And those trails are easier to ride north to south. But today we are riding the other way around. So some features are kind of impossible to ride. Downhill. I like downhill. Nice. Nice. Always. There is always uphill after the downhill. Why? Downhill. Nice. Whee. Oh, I don't have to pedal. Nice. Oh, yokoyo. XC race is more focusing on physical endurance than technical ability. The downhill trails are not as technical as an enduro race. Oh, very loose and muddy and roots and steep. Oh. Okay, gravel. So we're gonna go back up again. Ooh. This is the second and the last big uphill, and probably the steepest. So dark here. At this moment, only I could think was just I want to finish my race as quick as possible. If pushing my bike seems faster, I will push my bike rather than ride. Hello. Hi. Not bad.
Good.
Yeah.
You're videoing the whole thing?
No hold, maybe only downhill. Yeah, I just got good part.
Not the pushing up the hill.
I do sometime. Like right now, I don't have any hesitation to push my bike up. The important thing now is to keep on going. It is so hard. I can't breathe. I'm hungry. My body is sore. How nice I could stop here and then take a break. But we're still on a race. I can't stop. I don't want to stop. So I moved forward as fast as I can. Whew, we came back. Almost there. Ooh. And my last descent has begun. But this is still XC trail, so it's still up and down. Oh yes. Right now there is nobody, only myself. I believe some people really fast. XC race really challenge your physical endurance and also mental endurance. The whole race was a fight, not with the other racers, but with your weakness. Your body said, "Oh, I'm so tired. I can't go anymore. Please stop hurting me." Your mind said, "Why don't you stop? We can take a break here. Just 5 seconds." And you have to be strong to say, "No, we keep on going. Shut up, idiot." However, joining an XC race is a great way to know how much actually you can suffer and how strong actually you are. Oh shit. Oh my god, that was scary. Oh fuck. It's hard. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, lost lake area. Are we done? Well, where is the goal? Am I done? Excuse me, so where's the finishing point?
Finishing point?
Yeah. Yeah, right, nobody's there though. So, was I finished or what? Good, yeah. Excuse me, so when you finish, like, what should we do?
Drink.
Oh, okay. So nobody like checking? Like,
Yeah, we check.
yeah, right? Like,
What's your name?
Yuka?
You just got in?
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go.
Over there! That's the goal over there! Omari also decided to take the thriller course and complete the full race. Nice! Good job! But after the suffer, don't forget to treat yourself. How about the race?
It was good, but this is the best part of the day.
Oh yeah, you should get cake or something though. What did you get?
I got the coffee and the Canadian maple syrup.
Chocolate and coconut. Mmm. Mmm. So good.